How to pair and deploy your token on FegX. Let's get started. First, select Token 1, your dominant base pair token. You can search for your FWrap base pair by clicking on the drop-down menu, or by pasting the contract address in the search bar. Next, select Token 2, your project's token from the list, or by pasting the contract address into the search bar. Then select the amount of tokens for the base pair and your project to deploy as a pair. If your base pair is a reflective token, RFI, you will need to select the transaction fee % of its reflection. If not, please adjust it to 0%. For example, FWraps have a 1% transaction fee. Feg token has a 2% transaction fee, while BUSD does not have a transaction fee. If your project token is reflective, RFI, you will select the transaction fee % of reflection. If not, please adjust it to 0%. Please note, the reflection fee cannot be changed later. Now, approve deployer for use of both tokens. Select Create Pair. Approve base pair and project token. Input liquidity amounts for each token and select Add Liquidity. You have completed adding liquidity to your already created pair. Your token will be automatically deployed. To learn more, visit fegtoken.com or visit our YouTube channel.